Introducing the HyperX Cloudflight Wireless Gaming Headset, the ultimate accessory for gamers seeking freedom and comfort during their gaming sessions. With a gaming-grade 2.4 GHz wireless connection and an impressive battery life of up to 30 hours, this headset provides uninterrupted gaming for extended periods. Experience immersive in-game audio and the signature HyperX comfort with this headset. The closed-cup design helps keep you fully immersed in your gaming world, while the durable steel slider ensures long-lasting performance even with daily use. The HyperX Cloudflight is compatible with PC, PS4, and PS4 Pro, making it suitable for gamers across different platforms. The 90 degrees rotating ear cups come with LED lighting effects, adding a touch of style to your gaming setup. Enjoy intuitive control over audio and mic settings with the onboard controls, providing convenience and ease of use. The detachable noise-canceling microphone ensures crystal-clear communication, and it is engineered to function only when in wireless mode on PC and PS4. This versatile headset also features impressive specifications. The dynamic 50mm drivers with neodymium magnets deliver high-quality sound, while the closed-back design enhances audio immersion. Additionally, the circumaural design and comfortable memory foam provide a snug fit for hours of gaming. With a battery life of up to 30 hours, LED off, 18 hours, breathing LED, or 13 hours, solid LED, you can rely on the HyperX Cloudflight to keep up with your gaming marathons. And with a wireless range of up to 20 meters, you can freely move around without worrying about losing connectivity. Included in the package are the HyperX Cloudflight headset, a detachable noise-canceling microphone, a USB charging cable, and a USB adapter. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Get ready to elevate your gaming experience with the HyperX Cloudflight wireless gaming headset. Explore the limitless possibilities of wireless gaming today. Shop now at short link https://amzn.to/46tpkxd closing square bracket.